welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. And today I have the November Allure box. Woo woo, Allure box, woo woo. I hope it doesn't suck. I have subscribed to Allure for a year and I got locked in at the $15 price. Supposedly, in next month they're supposed to be upgrading their package to be a $23 box with with 3 full-size items. But Allure is really hit and miss. And I have high hopes that this won't suck, but we'll see. Oh, it doesn't suck. I can tell you right now, it doesn't suck. And here's a beautiful, beautiful dreamer coming to me. A beautiful lady. And then we have the booklet and the little editors pick out their favorite things and write little blurbs about them. So I will be reading the blurb. And this is very exciting. This makes it not suck automatically because it is a full-size item. It is from Dermalect. It is a self-esteem beauty sleep serum. And let's see what's in it. Overnight treatment. Focuses on fine lines, wrinkles, large pores. Great for age spots and uneven skin tone. Key ingredients. Glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and ascorbic acid. And I think those are all good things. I'm always happy to have a serum. And there's a little booklet on the inside, but I'm not going to delve into that. And this is a really nice size bottle. It looks like it's an ounce. It is 1 fluid ounce. This will last quite a while. And, you know, I just love that it's going to give me self-esteem. There's a Cat Williams. He's a old comic. He's old now. He used to be young and hip. But he's an old comic and he's like, bitch, it's called self-esteem. You get it from yourself. I love him. And this says, this woman's been dealing with acne and uneven texture for a few months. And now this new product has exfoliating properties. Anything that will unclog your pores. The serum contains salicylic and glycolic acids that help with congestion and promote cell turnover. And she used to have tiny bumps, but now they're gone. Yada yada, $42. So that pays for the box, which was $15 right there. Let's see what else we have. We've got several other items in here. I'm going to grab this, and this is from Manicadar. It is Lip Bliss, step 3. It's called Perfect Lip Bliss. And Manicadar stuff, it's okay. It's alright. This is $22, and it is a nice size. I'm not going to open it because I'm probably not going to keep it. I have so many lip things that it's a little cray-cray. And let's see what they say about this. With the face covering mandate, my lips are starved for attention. That is the truth. This mask is a product that you can keep in your purse next to the hand sanitizer or in your bathroom vanity. I'm glad she's telling us where we can keep our freaking lip treatment. Louie, why am I so aggressive today? I'm so aggressive. She applied this after a nighttime skin routine. I think she's like a sleep mask, and her lips got glossy and they plumped up and they were really lovely. So this is $22. So that's $64 so far. Next up is this. Louie, you're so destructive and I'm aggressive. This Allure box has got me going. And this is from Josephine Cosmetics, Eye Dazzle, the liquid metallic eyeshadow in Leona. Why can't I read? I've got my glasses on to make this stuff easier, and it's not easier. Leona. I had like a aunt or something named Leona. I think she killed herself or something. I don't know. They never talked about her. But it's a beautiful coppery kind of color. I know I just said like, oh, I think she killed herself. I mean, my family didn't tell me hardly nothing about nobody. Secrets. Shh. It's this time of year for family stuff. Secrets. Sound like I had a leaking gas tank, girl. All right. Next we have Instant Bright, and this is an eye mask, and this person's noticed that her under eyes are a little more, well, noticeable because of lack of sleep and her coping diet. This discoloration has started to wear on my confidence. She needs that self-esteem that we already got in the box. Anyway, this is good for dark circles and to plump your under eyes. And it's usually $48 for 6 sets of 2 patches, and this is just 2 patches. So that's like 50 cents. I don't know. I don't know how much that is. So actually, I think we do have 3 full-size items. So maybe this is a $23 box. This is full-size. The Manicadar is full-size. The Leona eyeshadow is full-size. Next, we have from Acure. I've gotten this before, I'm pretty sure. No, I haven't. I've got something like a hand sanitizer that looks like this, and it's impossible to open. And this is the Acure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. And this is a good size pouch. It's got quite a bit of stuff in it. And this person has combination skin and dry around their mouth, oily everywhere else. That would be a pain in the ass. She applies it in the morning for going serums and toner. And the cream is nice and light with more of a whipped texture. And she tried it at night. And she liked it. She liked it. And it's $18.99 for a full size. And this is a sample size. Let's call it 50 cents. Do you like where I'm going with this? I hope you have not offended. Have I offended thee? Have I offended thee? I'm just feeling randy and wild, and wait till I get going on some other stuff. Girl, let me tell you what, and my bangs are all crazy. I got them trimmed, but now I kind of regret it. It's like I regret the hair color, I regret the trim. What I won't regret is getting it all fixed. This is the Neogen Dermal Real Ferment Micro Essence. Ooh, it's an essence. Ooh, it's not really anything. It's just an essence of something. This full size would be $38, and this says she uses this to hydrate her oily skin, building up moisture with toner, essence, and moisturizer. Although this transparent fluid looks like a mini bottle of Voss water. Ooh, fancy Voss water. It's spiked with rice and yeast ferments. Oh, that's great. And she puts this on her face and in her hands and pats it on her face. And the full size of this would be $38. I'm going to call this 50 cents. Then we've got this from Nature Lab. This is a lot of stuff this month. It's a lot of stuff. And there's still one more thing in there. And this is Nature Lab Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Ooh! Girl, you gotta be careful. Do not do a scalp scrub before you get your hair bleached or colored, because it takes away all the buildup, which is good. You want to get rid of the buildup every now and then on your scalp. But if you get rid of the buildup that's protecting it from harsh chemicals, then it can burn your scalp and it feels like someone's, putting hot pokers all over your scalp, which happened to me. I did a scalp treatment once right before I got my hair done, and I was in more pain than I can remember ever from having hair. And it was my own fault. I could not get upset because it was my fault. But this bitch hates washing her hair. I think I'm always going to do a lure like this. I'm just going to talk about these bitches. This bitch doesn't like to wash her hair. Me either, but I do it anyway. But now she's home. She's going to get better about washing her hair and treating her scalp. Wrong! I only wash my hair every 10 days. That is some dirty ass hair. And she always uses scalp buildup scrub to clear product buildup. Once you scoop out a quarter size amount and add water, it foams up like a dream. Well, why is everything always like a dream? I've mentioned this before in videos. I mean, what kind of dream is it that your scalp is getting foamy? I don't know. The sugar crystals dissolve. She towel dries her hair and her hair feels fantastic. And then she can go 2 weeks without washing her hair. Bitch is dirty. And her hair looks really good for those 2 weeks. This full size would be $16 and this will be 50 cents. last but not least, this box is much better than I expected. I saw Abadabs, she led like this box, question mark, ooh, and a scary face or something. So I expected this to be a shitty box, but it's pretty good. This is When, the Last Choice sheet mask. If I get another sheet mask, like I'm over the sheet masks. I know people love them. I don't love them anymore. I've got like a ton of them. They're all going to be going on giveaways. I treat myself to a home spa at least once a week because she's bougie. No, she's not bougie. This one is made from coconuts, so if you're allergic to coconuts, no bueno. And she puts this on and rubs a jade roller on her face. And she takes the serum and rubs it in. And this is $5 for this mask. So this is pretty good. So things that weren't 50 cents. 42, 22. Oh, I can't remember how much the eyeshadow was. Let me go back. And $30 for this eyeshadow. I did not say that. So that's $64, $94 worth of stuff in this box. And I'm sure since there was 3 full-size items that it is the new price point of $23. I get billed once a year, so that's all I know. But this serum made it all worth the while, and other people would probably enjoy those other things. And I love you, and I hope you have a great day, or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon. Thanks. Bye.